Okay.
See, I think Tamil Nadu has got a very unique perspective about religion. Because if you look at Periyar, he's one of the most respected personalities. And Periyar his philosophy was anti-God. Wasn't against any religion. It was an anti-God philosophy. He was more about self-respect, removing the caste system, humanism, women's rights, all that. But many people who follow Periyar can also be a Hindu, can also be a Muslim, can also be a Christian. They can go to temples, but they still accept Periyar, his anti-God philosophy. At the same time, they'll be religious in their own way. So there's a very unique system in Tamil Nadu.
What does Rahul Gandhi think?
Now
Rahul Gandhi.
he's your alliance
that
partner.
is something.
He's your alliance partner.
That is something I think which is very unique to Tamil Nadu.
He's your alliance partner. Let him speak.
So I don't think anybody is
Mr.
anti-Hindu
Mafoy
here.
Pandeyarajan, one
No,
second.
Rahul, I don't think anybody is anti-Hindu.
Okay.
It is like their own culture,
says
their own
Hindu-
philosophy.
GVL. He's your alliance
No,
partner.
nothing-
Hinduism doesn't exist.
He's your
Listen,
alliance
listen.
partner. You are
He's
giving
not
us the chance.
anti-Hindu.
GVL.
I think he's
Listen to your
more
partner.
anti-Hindu than OIC. He's more anti-Hindu than SDPI, and that's what he possibly wants. to get the-
No, but
please,
GVL, this is the charge that's being leveled. No, one
Okay.
second. This is the charge, GVL, that's being leveled by the BJP, that you're trying to dominate the AIDMK. You're not letting the AIDMK minister speak.
No,
Let him
not
speak.
at all.
Come on, come on,
Not
come on.
Indian.
No. He was
Central government dominating
Mr.
regional
Pandeyarajan
parties.
was a bit late. That's how you allowed me
Let
time
him
in the
speak.
beginning.
No.
Let him
Okay,
speak.
it's okay.
Don't dominate your
Boss,
partner.
listen. Let's move beyond philosophy. I think Tamil Nadu has moved and transcended beyond all these philosophies. People simply want to know performance. Okay. As far as performance is concerned, as a party, DMK's second identity, beyond the corruption identity we just discussed, is the dynasty politics. It's completely, in the hands of one family. It's Kalaignar, it's, it's Stalin, it's Udaynidhi and Inbunidhi, and that's all kind of a thing. While our party is completely democratic, it's completely in the hands of the workers. Okay, they elect the people. Any normal person can aspire to be the chief minister. Okay, that's one. And the second part of the performance is what we've done on the ground. The 4 years of solid performance that we've given to Tamil Nadu. Today we have gone beyond 23 lakhs of crores in terms of GDP. Every year in the last 4 years, our GDP has grown 2% higher than the Indian average GDP growth. And this year, for instance, in a corona period, we've done a growth of plus 2%, while the Indian growth is projected to be about minus 7.7%. The lowest unemployment rate in India is that of Tamil Nadu. Water management, we have been number one repeatedly. Every water body in Tamil Nadu has been taken care very well. And in every scheme of central government, we've been able to do extremely
You've
well.
leveled a very important charge,
yes.
and that charge is of dynasty politics.
Yeah.
And the charge goes to both alliance partners, but I want both to
Correct.
respond to it, starting with A. Raja,
Correct.
that yours is a party where from Karunanidhi to Mr. Stalin and then beyond, it is dynasty, whereas in his party, he can argue
always been.
EPS
Yeah.
can come from nowhere and become chief
Correct,
minister.
correct.
And who's the next chief minister is not known either, Mr. Raja. Respond to the charge against the DMK of dynasty politics.
See, look at the period of Mr. Stalin. He was detained when he was 23 years old in Misa, simply because of son of chief minister. He did not do any agitation. He did not take part in any anti-government activities. In spite of that, with ulterior intention, with due respect to then government and Indiraji, that is altogether different. Political alliances today is something different, but we need not change the history. But at his 23rd, he was arrested under Misa for 1.5 years. He did not become immediate leader. Thereafter, he has two folds. One is, in the party level, what is the evaluation of Mr. Stalin? Number two, in administration, what has been the evaluation of Mr. Stalin? In the party, he took as one of the secretaries of the youth wing in 1980. In 1980, he joined as the one of the secretary in the youth wing. Thereafter, he became the deputy general secretary, then the treasurer, then the working president. Now, after demise of our mentor, he became the leader. This is a total evaluation, not a sudden push.
Okay, let Mr.
Wait. In the administration, He was MLA in 1999. Thereafter, is Chennai mayor. Thereafter, local administration minister. Then the deputy minister. Then he is waiting for the CM.
Okay.
So either in politics,
That's a
or in
career
public life-
progression.
Wait,
What
wait,
is the
wait, 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 wait.
We're talking about performance here.
What is the performance? You are traveling all bridges in Chennai, na? That itself is performance. You are coming across all bridges in 10, 11 bridges. What about your single bridge? Edapadi Palanichammy, single
multiple.
bridge.
In 1
Show
hour,
me,
we built 11 bridges.
you came to touch
Was-
is because of MK Stalin.
No, Rahul.
Can I
I
ask?
didn't there was a
My
single
suggestion
bridge.
is
Rahul,
that either
you're-
in politics
you're
or in
giving more
administration,
space to
it's a
seasoned
complete
politicians.
evaluation, not a sudden push. You cannot say
Sir,
it
your
is a
alliance
dynasty.
partner, sir.
Yes.
Your alliance partner.
Rahul,
Sir,
this is
one
not between
second.
alliances and
No,
all. There's also
this-
M&M here.
I realize that.
Okay, we
You're
are
trying to
making
make a
stake
mark
here.
and find a voice for yourself. But Dinesh Gundu Rao ji, your father was chief minister. You're now in politics, and the charge tails you as much as it tails the DMK. That I don't know if you'd be in politics if your father wasn't who he was. And Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who's one of your key leaders, is also a dynast. And therefore, the charge that the AIDMK levels is that yours is a party that's associated with dynastic politics.
See, in today's politics, in every political party, there are people who have come from their families and joined politics. And I think many people from many families join politics. It's there in the BJP. There are many families in BJP who have been traditionally, have come from political families. There are many such leaders. In all the parties, they are there. And it is not that being a leader, son of a leader or son of a politician doesn't disqualify him from becoming a politician. You see lawyers' children becoming lawyers. You see doctors' children becoming doctors. You see actors' children becoming actors. You see IAS officers' children becoming IAS officers. IPA. This is some people who've got the potential, the mettle, they can rise. And today for the Congress party, it's not that Sonia Gandhi ji or Rahul Gandhi ji have been the prime minister. The last time...
They run your party, sir.
The last time a Gandhi was a prime minister of the country was in 1989.
Being prime minister is not... they ran the party.
We've had Narsimha Rao in between. We've had Mr. Kesri in between. Then Sonia Gandhi ji came back. And in very trying circumstances, she rebuilt the party. She is slogged. She's worked hard. She went to the people. And she rebuilt the party. When the BJP was saying and everyone was saying the Congress party is finished, that's when Sonia Gandhi ji came. So she built the party back and we were in power for 10 years.
You see,
so they've come over here basically by their merit and by their quality. And the Congress party, as long as the Congress party members want Rahul Gandhi ji to be the president or to lead the party, that's the reflection of the Congress party worker.
Whether they
Doesn't
want
matter
or
what
not, they will
anybody
never
else
allow
thinks.
anybody else.
So there is no,
See, look at
there's no imposition of a leader here.
You see, for the last
There is no
maybe-
imposition of a leader here.
For the last 20 odd years, more than 22, 23 years, Congress has to choose either Mother Sonia ji or her son. They have no choice.
when
They
the son
can't choose
doesn't
even
want to
anybody
become.
else. The real problem that really that handicaps this alliance in Tamil Nadu is their dynastic succession.
Yeah,
and
not
the
at all.
below par
As far
performance,
as the DMK
below
is
par,
mind.
no, Mr. Raja, let me complete. Below par performance of both Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Stalin whenever they held positions, be it political positions or other political.
I think,
Sir,
They perform below par.
Rahul, see this conversation is just like one of those TV shows.